Hey everyone! For today's video, we're going to take a closer look at the Pampered Chef Quick Cooker. For years now, people have been asking me, when is Pampered Chef going to come out with their own pressure cooker? Well, the wait is over. This quick cooker is going to revolutionize your time spent in the kitchen. Think of it as your fifth appliance. Every home is going to need one. With the quick cooker, you can cook anything and everything, from beans that don't have to be soaked, to risotto, to cheesecake, to hard-boiled eggs in just 15 minutes. You can get the optional accessory pack separately or together as the set. You can get the springform pan for cheesecake, and you can get the ceramic pot with the silicone lid and wire rack for making side dishes at the same time that you're cooking the rest of your meal. You're also going to get this quick cooker guide that comes with 15 recipes plus cooking charts for beans, legumes, rice, and other vegetables. Today, I'm going to show you how to make hard-boiled eggs in just 15 minutes. We're going to be using the 5-5-5 method, which is cooking for 5 minutes in the pressure cooker, naturally releasing the steam for 5 minutes, and then doing an ice bath for 5 minutes. Let's get started. Once the quick cooker is plugged in and you remove the top, you're going to hear it make a cute little sound. That's letting you know that it is being opened. What makes the Pampered Chef quick cooker different is the placement of the steam release valve. The button is placed far away from the actual steam release so that you don't have a chance of getting burned. I also love that the handles are at the bottom, at the base, so that it's easy for you to carry around your kitchen and you don't have to worry that the lid might become detached and drop your pressure cooker. Inside is a wire rack, which we're going to use today to put the eggs on, or you can use this to set your springform pan or ceramic pot on. For this recipe, we just need 1 cup of water and 6 eggs. I'm going to pour in the water using my easyread measuring cup, and I'm going to center the metal rack at the bottom. I've got 6 eggs here, and I'm going to go ahead and just place them around the rack. Then I'm going to set the pressure cooker for a custom time of 5 minutes, and I'll see you back here in just a little bit. Okay, the eggs have cooked for 5 minutes and I let the steam naturally release for another 5 minutes. So now I'm going to hit cancel and we're going to manually release the steam. I have angled the quick cooker for you to see, and I love that the body stays cool to touch. We're going to go ahead and push the button so that you can see the angle that the steam is released. Nice and easy and away from your hand. When the red indicator goes down, you'll know that it's safe to take the lid off. In fact, you are unable to take the lid off while the red indicator is up. It's gone down, so let's remove the lid. We're going to put these eggs into an ice bath and wait another 5 minutes. And there you have it, the Pampered Chef Quick Cooker. Order yours today.